This tutorial guides you through creating and hosting a video town hall session in Zoho Connect. Click Town Hall to begin creating a new town hall session. Click New Town Hall to start setting up your video town hall session. In the Town Hall Creation pop-up, enter a name for your session in Session Name field. In the description field, specify your session's intent to clearly explain its focus. Click Live Broadcast to set the session as a live video event. Choose Start Now to begin the Town Hall session immediately. Or click Schedule for later to plan the session for a future time. Select who can attend this session in the Select Attendees drop-down. Click Add Panelists to include speakers or moderators for the town hall. Search and pick the panelists to add them to the session. In Add Tags field, write down the tags that describe the session and press Enter. Make sure you've enabled Start Recording to record the session. Then click Schedule to schedule the town hall session for later. That's it. For any queries or feedback, reach out to us. Also, do check out our website, www.zoho.com/connect.